Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing data and access. That prevents surprises later. First, back up your user folder and browser profiles to an external drive or cloud. Include hidden folders. Next, collect account emails, product keys, and recovery options, and confirm admin credentials. Once done, create a system restore point and export settings you might want later. Make sure the laptop is plugged in or has more than 50% battery, and disconnect non-essential peripherals so the cleanup proceeds without interruptions. You now remove layers of customization. Focus on apps, startup, and privacy. Begin uninstalling unwanted software through Settings or Control Panel, and inspect programs and features for legacy tools. Then reset privacy and telemetry options, disable or remove startup entries, and clear browser extensions and saved logins. After that, delete obsolete user profiles and run disk cleanup or a trusted cleaner to remove temp files. Make sure to reboot between major steps so changes apply cleanly and dependencies are freed. You complete the process by restoring defaults. Choose an OS reset or factory image depending on how clean you want the result. If you select reset, pick whether to keep files or remove everything. I recommend remove everything for full removal of customizations. Reinstall only essential drivers from the manufacturer site and apply updates. Once done, recreate necessary accounts and verify settings. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode or use recovery media and the restore point you made earlier to repair or redo the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.